up and I'm shaping it as it hardens. So that way we can slice it.
So does it get harder when you do that? Is that what it does?
What?
Does it get more firm when you do that?
So we cook the fudge to about 230 degrees and we pour it on the table. The marble cools it down to a temperature we can work with it, probably about 100 degrees or so. Usually takes about 10 minutes.
Okay.
And then we paddle and work the fudge. By paddling and working the fudge, it makes the sugars in the fudge start to crystallize, and that's what makes it set up. So after about 10 minutes of paddling the fudge, it'll start to set and we shape it as it hardens.
Wow.
So I'm trying to get it into a shape where we can slice it and it'll fit in the box.
So how long have you been doing this?
Over 20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
I do like to tell people it's my second day, but they don't believe me.
Well, you're pretty good at this.
All right, so give